Hi guys, welcome to Fam Squad. My name is Philip, and thank you very much for tuning into our video today. We're going to be talking about a case, a translucent case for an iPhone SE or your choice of phone. They have these cases for Samsung, all types of phones, but this is not an ordinary translucent case. This is a case that is from a site called Wish.com. It blocks your lightning charging port right over here, and of course the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is really good because dust and water always gets in there, and you know, in most cases it ruins your phone. That's why this is very good, especially for those working around dust fragments, and it really does help out for me especially. Now, the only thing that I did not really like to this case when I first purchased it, that it did not appeal to me, is there was a quite a bit of dust over here in this area. Now again guys, it's from China, and it's processed with very raw plastic materials. So again, you're not going to get the high quality that most cases get, but again, it's good for the $4 and it works. And you know what I love about this case is it has a beautiful design, and it really preserves the really nice design that most Apple products have. So it has so basically why I first bought this case, because I love seeing a beautiful Johnny Ive design that the iPhone has. So from a scale of 1 to 10, how would I rate this case? I would say from a scale of 1 to 10, it would be an 8 on my scale. I mean, it's definitely very appealing to buy, but again, it's not quite there yet, but it's very close to being a great optimal case for anyone. I mean, it's sleek, and you know what I love about this as well, I also forgot to mention, it's very slim. But again, it's an 8, and I would totally recommend you to buy this case. I'll have the link down below in the description below. Alright guys, thank you very much for tuning into our video. This is the end. Again guys, if you do wish to buy the case, the link will be down below in the description. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe if you want to see more. Again, this is the second episode of our tech series, so I'm hoping to make more. I'm going to be making one next week again, because I got these really cool like little micro earbuds and all that kind of stuff. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Have a great one.